Hi everyone, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Today I'm sharing how I have made this scrumptious okra vegetable, that is Bhindi ki sabzi. So let's get started with the recipe. But before that, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Please do consider subscribing and also click on the bell icon so you get an update when I upload a new recipe. To make this sabzi, I've taken a heavy bottom skillet, turn the gas on high, added approximately 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil, and we need to let it come to a smoking point. I like to cook this vegetable in mustard oil, but if you don't have it, feel free to replace it with any cooking oil of your choice. Once the oil comes to a smoking point, turn off the gas and let it cool for a few seconds. Burning the mustard oil is important because it has a sharp taste, and when you burn the oil, it gets a little milder. Once the oil is slightly cool, add a teaspoon of cumin seeds, let them splutter. Add 1 small onion thinly sliced, which is approximately a cup. And immediately after that, I'm adding approximately 500 grams or 1.1 pounds of okra. During my weekly meal prep, I like to cut and freeze the okra, hence I'm using the frozen one, but feel free to replace it with the fresh cut okra if you want. Add salt to taste, turmeric 1 teaspoon. Mix it gently. Two important things to keep in mind while cooking this vegetable is that you do not want to overmix it, and your gas should not be too low nor too high. Once the skillet is hot, you should keep it on medium. After cooking the okra for 5 to 6 minutes, you can see that it is slightly soft. At this stage, I am adding half a cup of diced bell pepper or capsicum. I've taken the green, red and yellow. If you don't have all three colors, feel free to replace it with any single colored bell pepper. Adding a little more salt and then 3/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. Mix everything well, and now we will let it cook till the bell peppers turn soft. Adding bell pepper is completely optional, but if you will add it, it enhances the taste of the vegetable. A quick tip: adding a few drops of lemon or lime juice will prevent the okra from getting slimy. Add 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. You can increase it if you want it to be more spicy. And finely chopped cilantro. We'll let this cook for a few more minutes. Our sabzi is ready. Let's give it a final taste. To this I'm adding a little more salt, some more cilantro. Give it a final mix, and now it's time to dish it out. Enjoy this vegetable with some hot chapatis or any flatbread of your choice. If you try this recipe, don't forget to tell us in the comments how it turned out for you. Thanks for watching.